bipartite graph. So what is bipartite graph? So bipartite graph is denoted by KRS. So these R is a set of vertices and these is another set of vertices. So I will show you with an example how it looks, and from there you will be able to understand what is a bipartite graph is. Say R is a set of vertices V1, V2, V3, and S is a set of vertices V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash. So, or it doesn't mean that there has to be same number of vertices. It can have different number of vertices in that way. So these are sets vertices. If I place like these V1, V2, V3, V1, V2, V3, and if S vertices I place in other side V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V4 dash, like that, and if I say there will be edges in between R and S, so there will be edges from R to S or there will be edges from S to R. There will be no edges within R, there will be no edges within S. So this is the kind of definition you can say for bipartite. So in this graph there can be edges from V1 to V1 dash or V1 to V3 dash or V1 to V4 dash. So from here this section to this section there can be edges. Now there can be edges from V2 dash to V3 dash, V2 dash to V3 dash. So from S set to R set. But remember there can be no edges in between V1, V2, V3. There can be no edges in between V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V4 dash. So I hope this is clear. Again I will tell you, there can be edges from R set to S set. There can be edges from S set to R set, but there can be no edge in between R set. There can be no edges in between any vertices of S set. Okay, so this is what all about bipartite graph. Now there are two kinds of bipartite graph. One is called regular bipartite graph and another one is called complete bipartite graph. Now what is a regular bipartite graph? A regular bipartite graph is a graph where R is equals to S, or the number of vertices in R and the number of vertices in S, the cardinality are equal. Then we call it a regular bipartite graph. So for example, if this is an R set, this is an S set, so whatever connection I make like this is an example of regular bipartite graph. Now from here we will come to complete bipartite graph. So we understood regular bipartite graph, we will now understand complete bipartite graph. So what is a complete bipartite graph? A complete bipartite graph says, so there are two sets, right, R and S. So there will be all possible edges from R to S and there will be all possible edges from S to R. Okay, so I will show you with an example this complete bipartite graph. So say this is set R with 3 vertices and this is set S with say 2 vertices. So this is R and this is S. Okay, now what complete bipartite graph is saying, that there will be edges from R to S, all possible edges, and there will be edges S to R, all possible edges. By that I mean I have to draw all the possible edges from these to these two. I have to draw all the possible edges from these to these two. I have to draw all the possible edges from these to these two. And technically, in reverse way, from these S to all three, these S to all three. So basically, there were all the possible edges in between R and S, and there obviously by bipartite graph definition there will be no edges in between R and there will be no edges in S. So this is what a complete bipartite graph is. So if a question is asked that how many possible edges are there in complete bipartite graph, okay, so actually the answer is R into S, correct? So basically if you see 1 2 3, so this is 3, 1 2, this is 2, so there will be 6 possible edges, right? How? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Basically everyone from 3 set to everyone to 2 set, if I connect, so there will be exactly the multiplication number of edges will be over there, right? So this is how I am achieving the number. How many possible edges in the complete bipartite graph are there? RS. Now if I say how many possible edges are there in regular complete bipartite graph. So basically a regular complete bipartite graph is a bipartite graph which is regular as well as complete. So if I make these example, convert this example into regular complete bipartite, I will add another vertex here. So like these, an extra edge will come. So how many it's becoming? So basically in that case also RS only, but since the number is same, so if there are n number of vertices here, obviously n number of vertices in this set too, so it is n square. So technically the multiplication. So I think that's all about bipartite graph. One very important thing to remember, there is no loop possible in bipartite graph. This is a very important note that you can remember. There is no loop possible in bipartite graph. So yes, this is all about bipartite graph. In next video we will learn something about cyclic graph.